Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mila. I am the Hangry Woman. I live with latent autoimmune diabetes in adults, a slow progressing form of type 1 diabetes, and I am a nutritionist. It's been a really long time since I've done a video on my channel, and I just wanted to let you know I'm back. And summer break is here. I am taking a pause on nutrition school until the fall. If you didn't know, I'm getting my master's degree in applied nutrition and eventually becoming a registered dietitian. And it has been the wildest ride of my life. Not at all a change that I thought that I would make in this lifetime. But when you're about to hit 35, I guess you just decide to blow up your life, change your career, do things differently. And I am so happy with the way that things are going, but that's not what this video is about today. Today's video is about hydration, and it's about how you can get hydration in different ways, both from drinks and from food. If you're interested in tips and tools and tricks that help you live a better life with diabetes, be sure to hit that subscribe button. You will not regret it. We do some fun things on this channel. I have so much planned for the rest of this year, and I hope that you enjoy it. Additionally, if you're looking for community, I launched an app last year called Glucose Guide. You can find it in the iOS App Store or in the Google Play Store. I also have a recipe club where you get 30 recipes each month that you can test out for yourself, so you'll really enjoy it. But most of all, it's a place of community. It's a place for you to feel safe about asking questions about diabetes. And I offer free health coaching for every single person who needs it. All right, after the longest intro ever, let's hop into this video. So first of all, why is hydration important in the first place? For people with diabetes, hydration helps us balance out our blood sugar levels. When we're dehydrated, our blood can have more concentrated levels of glucose, which leads to hyperglycemia, which is no fun, right? Hyperglycemia and chronic hyperglycemia can lead to those diabetes complications that we hear about. So hydration is just one part of the many things that we have to do to manage our blood sugars, but it's one of the easiest things that we can manage on our own. How much water is adequate? Most people aim for 8-ounce glasses of water per day. And that actually means a variety of drinks. So your hydration can also come from milk, can come from coffee, it can come from tea, it can come from sparkling or bubble water. You have lots and lots of options when it comes to your hydration. What we do want to avoid, though, is sugar-sweetened drinks, fruit juices, things of that nature that are going to raise our blood sugar and not necessarily give us the hydration that we need. If you are more active or it's a bit hotter outside, you may find that you need to drink more water to be able to keep up with those hydration goals. Additionally, though, hydration isn't just about drinking water. You can also meet your hydration goals through what you eat. So if you think about really water-rich fruits and veggies, things like watermelon, like celery, like berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, those foods contain lots of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but they also contain a lot of water. So those summer fruits that we love in moderation are a great way to meet hydration goals. You have tons and tons of options when it comes to getting your hydration and meeting your hydration goals. I also have a blog up on hangrywoman.com about different hydrating foods that can help you meet your overall goals for staying hydrated and getting enough water in your day. And then lastly, to keep it simple, what are some tips that can help you to drink more water throughout the day or stay reminded to keep hydrated? The first, carry a reusable bottle with you and fill that up whenever you get the chance and just sit along the day. Having water within reach makes it much, much easier to meet those hydration goals and to sip during the day as you need it. Back here, I'll reach for her, have my trusty Stanley with my favorite stickers all over it. And my Stanley is one of the ways that I'm able to get hydration. I drink 2 of these per day, plus the different fruits that I eat, plus bubble water, plus coffee, plus tea. I am a hydrating queen. And so having a reusable bottle that you know how many ounces is in it is such a helpful tool because you can reach by and grab this anytime that you need it. Second, if you need help and you need reminders about when to drink water, or you just may forget during the day, it might not be something that's on the top of your mind. You can set calendar reminders or timers throughout the day on your phone to remind you of when to take a sip of water, a few sips of water. The other thing that you can do is use a hydration tracking app. Those can be really helpful in terms of tracking your hydration throughout the day and celebrating you when you meet that hydration goal. Some of those apps are out there in the App Store. Lots of them are free. The biggest, best free way to do it is to set a reminder either on your calendar or set a reminder on your phone that can alert you. So little reminders throughout the day are always really helpful. You can also pair your water or your liquids with meals and snacks. So not only does this help in aiding digestion and also helping you feel fuller after your meal, but it's going to help you meet that water intake goal that you might have for yourself for the day. So pair some water or bubble water or tea or coffee with your meals and your snacks, and you'll be on your way to meeting those hydration goals. And that's it. Staying hydrated is such an important way to help you meet those overall blood sugar goals that you have. But staying hydrated is also so good for your health. If you are looking for tips and tools and ways to do that, hopefully this video helped. But if you also need some more help in the habit change arena, go to my website, hangrywoman.com/coaching. I offer free health coaching for people with diabetes who are looking to get on their pathway to better health. We go through habit change, we go through goal setting together, and it is just a wonderful way to get on track and have that accountability that you need. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.